Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today we're taking a look at Northwestel, a telecommunications company serving communities in northern Canada. Their website, found at northwestel.ca, acts as a central hub for accessing their various services and information. Northwestel provides a wide range of connectivity solutions, catering to both residential and business customers. Whether you're looking for internet access, mobile phone plans, or business communication tools, you'll likely find what you need on their site. Navigating northwestel.ca, you can explore their offerings, which span various technologies and speeds. They likely have options ranging from basic internet packages to more robust solutions for bandwidth-intensive activities like streaming and gaming. For businesses, Northwestel likely offers specialized services, potentially including dedicated internet connections, cloud solutions, and managed IT services, designed to support their unique operational requirements. The website probably details coverage areas, allowing potential customers to determine service availability in their specific location. You can also anticipate finding information regarding customer support, likely with contact details and FAQs. This helps customers get assistance with technical issues, billing inquiries, or general service-related questions. Given the importance of connectivity in today's world, Northwestel's website likely serves as a vital resource for individuals and businesses across northern Canada. Exploring their site, you'll find a comprehensive overview of their products and services, helping you stay connected in a region where reliable communication is crucial. Remember to visit northwestel.ca to learn more about their available plans and coverage options, and see how Northwestel can meet your connectivity needs. They likely offer various packages to suit different budgets and usage patterns, so it's worth checking out their site to find the best fit for you. Don't hesitate to explore their website to see the latest deals and promotions. They might also have information about community initiatives and partnerships, demonstrating their commitment to the regions they serve. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on their site for news and updates regarding their services and offerings in northern Canada. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech-related content and discussions.